Good morning to all. Today we will learn about how to add Excel real estate in MS Excel. Those who are known about the MS Excel, there is a simple functions are there by insert option. If you going further, your add-ins in data analysis toolpath. Data analysis toolpath also permits you a few statistical tools, but whereas Excel real estate add-in permits you a lot of statistical tools. No need for other softwares for doing logistic regression, probit regression, cluster analysis, or multinomial logistic regression, multinomial regression. So whatever you need, correlation, some parametric tests, non-parametric tests. So many tools are available in Excel real estate. So now my objective is how to add this Excel real estate in our MS Excel, right? So I will explain. So the first step is download Excel real estate from the Google. So http://www.real-statistics. Just you click in the Google. So you are download this and keep this file in any drive. Any drive. Why? Because of in the selecting of this real statistics, it is asking where you may be select. That's why here I stressed this point. You have to keep this file in any drive. And step 3 is open MS Excel. Open MS Excel. So whenever you open MS Excel, in the menu bar, if you observe the left hand side, file menu is there. Just you click the file menu. In general, in 2007 version, before the 2007 version, you are getting directly add-ins. But after 2007 or 2010 versions, you may be in the last. There is more option is there. More. Just you click more option, then you are getting the add-ins. So just you click add-in. Again, a pop-up box is appear. There select Excel real estate. So whenever you Excel real estate, right hand side asking where this file is getting, then you just browse. So whenever you browse, it is asking where the file is keep in your system. So then where you have to keep this file, just you select that one and save, right? So another step is, in addition to that one, it's better to Excel solver is also add in your add-ins. So step 8, if you observe, immediately add-ins option appear in the menu bar. When in the before you are not adding Excel real estate, you are not getting add-ins option in the menu bar, in the Excel menu bar. Whereas if you correctly doing this one, add-ins option is appear in your toolbar. So this indicates that you are rightly doing all the steps. The step 9 is it's ready to use the real estate. So just this is the real statistics resource pack, an Excel add-in that extends Excel's standard statistics capabilities by providing you with advanced worksheet functions and data analysis tools, so that you can more easily perform a wide variety of practical statistical analysis, right? So this is a brief introduction how to add add-ins. Now we are going for how in practical way how to add Excel real estate in Excel, right? So just you open MS Excel. So in this, if you observe that one, there is a file menu is there in the left hand side. Just you click So if you are click that one, this is there is no add-ins, but in the last bottom of this more option is there. Just you click more, the feedback options, just you click options. So whenever you click the options in the left hand side, if you observe general formulas and so on, we need add-ins. Just you click add-ins. Again the right hand side, so many tools, tool packs or some other add-ins also there. So analysis tool pack, VBA, solver add-ins, Excel real stats and so on, right? So whenever you have to click Excel real stat, just this, so go. So if you are getting like this, generally I have already selected, that's why it is asking. So if you are not selecting, it is asking, just click, so browse. So whenever you browse, it is asking where you are keep. I have keep my file in C drive in program files. So just I select this one, so I okay. So the file name already existed, so in this location do you want to replace it? So just I click yes, right? So then click OK. Whenever the add-ins are properly adding in MS Excel, so if you observe, this is add-ins option. So earlier there is no add-ins option in the menu bar, if you observe. So now whenever you properly add in Excel real stat, immediately add-ins option appear in your menu bar. So now I will try to give a difference between the earlier and this versions, right? So in the earlier one, insert, just you click insert option. So these are the some of the things are available. Suppose if you go further one, so data, there is a data analysis tool pack is there. So if you are clicking the data analysis tool pack, so there is also, if you are getting some of the tools only. So now my objective is add-ins. If you click add-ins, this is the real stat, just you click add-ins tool pack. So these are the tools are available for descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics and normality. Descriptive statistics is nothing but mean, median, mode, and in addition to that one, skewness, kurtosis, all these tools are available in descriptive statistics. So frequency table, descriptive statistics, histogram, kernel density estimation chart, diversity indices, ROC. This is the important one as a statistics students. ROC curve and classification table, step chart, extracting columns from a data range, reformatting the data range, and so on, multiple scatter charts and so on. So suppose to be click another one, regression. So multiple linear regression, weighted linear regression. So you know that when you are using the weighted linear regression, LAD linear regression, Deming regression, passing block, that is Babylog regression, exponential regression, polynomial regression, logistic and probit regression, multinomial logistic regression, Poisson regression, ridge regression, and this is nothing Cochrane-Arcot regression. So so many types, different types of regressions tools are available under this. So ANOVA. So here also one factor ANOVA, two factor ANOVA, three factor ANOVA. So at the same time ENCOVA is also available. Some of the tools, Latin square ANOVA. So in the analysis of Latin square design we have to use, and randomized block design. So where we have used randomized complete block ANOVA. So the Friedman's ANOVA and so many ANOVAs under the ANOVA. So time series basic forecasting, ARIMA models are available, seasonal ARIMA model and ARIMAX, testing, parallelogram, forecast accuracy, co-integration, cross correlations, Mann-Kendall and Sands-Slope. So these are the tools are available under the time series. Multivariate, so Hotlinks T-square, so MANOVA with one factor, two factor, factor analysis, discriminant analysis, permutational MANOVA, Jenks neural breaks. So these things are available in the multivariate. So correlation, the correlation tests are internal consistency, reliability, inter-rater reliability, item analysis, and polycroid correlation, multiple imputations, and EM for missing multivariate normal data. So these are the tools available under this, the miscellaneous. So in this miscellaneous, some of the non-parametric tests are available. So non-parametric test, chi-square test for independence, Ekman-Mantel Hansel test, and goodness of fit, distribution fitting, resampling, one sample proportion test, two sample proportion test, multiple tests, solving a set of linear equations, so and statistical power and sample size. So all the which are not covered in this so some of the tools are also included in Excel RealStat, which is very useful. Those uh, who wants to need do the statistical tools in their research or their project for any purpose without having any software like SPSS or whatever it may be. So already most of you are known about the MS Excel, so it is easy to add in. It is easy to add in MS Excel and use this real statistics for your analysis purpose. Thank you.